Good morning students. In the previous lecture I have given you a general introduction to the author Romila Thapar and the essay What Secularism Is and Is Not. So in this lecture let's begin the essay. The author says that for a secular society we have to stop identifying ourselves by religion, caste or language and must begin to think of ourselves primarily as equal citizens of one nation, both in theory and in practice. So for this to happen, there must be mutual obligations, that is responsibilities between the state and the citizens and between citizens. So not just in theory as of now, but in actuality, which means this must not be limited in papers, but we must actually make this happen. The relationship between other identities will be seen as secondary. So the other identities are religion, caste, language and religion. Religion I have already mentioned. Rights of citizenship together with what they entail is viewed as primary. So what is expected of a state is not to support any religious organization, even those it is currently supporting. So Thapar explains what she means by the terms secular, secularism and secularizing. So secular relates to the world and it is distinct from the religion. Secularism, it involves questioning the control that religious organizations have over social institutions. So what is secular? It relates to the world and is distinct from the religious. And secularism, it involves questioning the control that religious organizations have over social institutions. So this is justified by arguing that it ensures morality. The morality fundamental to secularism is beyond any single religion. That is, it is not limited to any single religion. If it is limited to any single religion, then definitely we cannot call it as secularism, right? And thus it extends to the functioning of the entire society. So secularism does not deny the existence of religion in society. That is, it acknowledges presence of religion in society, but what secularism does is it demarcates the social institutions over which religion can or cannot exercise control. So this distinction is fundamental. So this is all for today. Thank you.